And he's just in the back there, Greg.
Loris Baz under braking. He's trying to find a spot. Oh, he's so tight. Is he going to hold on to it?
And he's just in the back there, Greg.
Friday night, music kicking, neon lights, watching babies shake and bake it out on the floor. Bust a move, bust a rhyme, who's that hottie in that line? She's a vision I ain't ever seen here before. So slide a cold one over to her. She sure looks good in them boots and skirt, and I can tell she's ready to go. This ain't her first ride at the rodeo. So slide, 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 slide. Yeah, a little to the left. Now let it down easy. Before you take another step, move it like you mean it. Then rock it to the right and slide. Free fall, bounce out to the parking lot, fire up the truck and get ready to groove. Albums on the radio, chilling on a dirt road, bench seat, feel the heat, ready to cruise. So slide yourself on over here, girl. Oh, the night is over, gonna rock your world. So why don't we just cut to the chase? Drive ourselves crazy in my Chevrolet and slide, 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 slide. Yeah, a little to the left. Now let it down easy. Before you take another step, move it like you mean it. Then rock it to the right and slide. Just life between a woman and a man. Yeah, there's gonna be pleasure, there's gonna be pain. Some days losses, some days gains. Just don't give up, do the best that you can. Yeah, 'cause they're the ones beside you through thick and thin. So if they rock, you roll. And if they bend or break, go with the flow. Wrap your arms around them and hang on for dear life. gonna be laughing, there's gonna be crying. Sometimes the truth is sugar-coated by lying. Just do the next right thing, yeah, and you'll get through. Yeah, there's gonna be passion, there's gonna be fights, some early mornings and some long crazy nights. But at the end of the day, who's the one you run to? Yes, for sure.